Ever wondered why some teams seem to effortlessly conquer challenges, while others stumble and fall? It's not just about individual talent, it's a profound interplay of psychology, neuroscience, and communication. Today, we're diving deep into the science of teamwork, uncovering the fascinating mechanisms that transform a group of individuals into a high-performing unit. Get ready to understand what truly makes collaboration effective. Our first crucial element is psychological safety. Pioneered by Harvard's Amy Edmondson and famously highlighted by Google's Project Aristotle, this is the belief that one can take interpersonal risks without fear of negative consequences. When team members feel safe to express ideas, admit mistakes, or ask for help, innovation soars. It fosters an environment where diverse thoughts aren't just tolerated, but actively encouraged, leading to better problem solving and trust. Next, let's explore cognitive diversity and collective intelligence. While it might seem intuitive, research shows that teams with a mix of different thinking styles, experiences, and perspectives consistently outperform homogeneous groups. This diversity helps avoid groupthink, allowing for a broader range of solutions and more robust decision-making. It's not just about IQ, but the collective C factor, a measure of a team's general intelligence, often driven by how well members share and process information. Finally, we look at the power of shared mental models and communication. Effective teams develop a common understanding of their goals, roles, and the overall task environment. This shared blueprint minimizes misunderstandings and boosts efficiency, allowing for seamless coordination even under pressure. Interestingly, even the hormone oxytocin plays a role, fostering trust and pro-social behaviors within teams. Clear, consistent, and empathetic communication is the glue that binds these models together. In essence, the science of teamwork reveals that success hinges on creating a psychologically safe space, embracing cognitive diversity, and cultivating clear, shared understanding. These aren't just soft skills, they're the hardwired foundations for collective excellence. If you found this insight into teamwork valuable, please hit that like button, share your team experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating dives into human behavior.